Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ano ba? Gutom na ba kayong lahat?
So what's up everyone? Are you feeling with our record Sawi? Okay, today we're gonna embark on a food adventure unlike into the heart and soul of the Philippines. Filipino food culture.
We Filipinos, we practically breathe, sleep, and dream about food. It's not just about meals, it's about the whole experience. We Filipino love to eat, that we even have not 3 but 5 meals. We have also breakfast, of course, but we also have merienda in the afternoon, a smaller snack to keep us going, and then there's siesta, a time to relax in the middle of the day, often with a cup and coffee and sweet and treat. It all starts with the foundation rice. Yef, fluffy, steaming with rice. We Filipino eat rice with everything. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, you name it.
Walang Pilipino hindi kumakain ng kanin.
It's more than just a side dish. It's like a blank canvas for all amazing flavor to come. But where does this love for rice come from? Well, rice is deeply ingrained in our culture. It's a symbol of hard work, a sign of respect, and a source of food.
Ang lutong Pilipino ay pinagsama-sama ng mayamang kasaysayan ng ating bansa.
Pero sa kabila ng mga impluensyang ito, hindi pa rin mawala ang nilikha ng ating sariling panlasa.
We took this influence and made them our own. We balanced the strong flavors and sour elements, tamarind and vinegar. We added sweetness with coconut milk and palm sugar. This unique blend of sweet, salty, sour, and savory is what makes Filipino food so special.
At syempre, hindi Pilipino ang kainan kung walang kamay.
Forget the fork and spoons. The most traditional way to eat Filipino food is with their hands. Kamayan style. Ang kamay na isang paraan ng pagkain, ginagamit natin ang ating mga kamay nang walang gamit na kutsara at nidor. Kilala rin ito bilang kinamot o kinamot sa wikang Bisaya, tulad ng ibang mga bansang Asyano tulad ng Japan at China na gumagamit ng chopstick sa kanilang mga pagkain. Mayroon din sariling tradisyonal na paraan ng pagkain ng mga Pilipino gamit ang kanilang mga kamay.
Ang tradisyong ito ng pagkain ng mga Pilipino ay karaniwang hindi formal at isang pampamilyang okasyon sa pagitan ng pamilya o isang malaking bilang ng mga tao, lalo na sa mga handaan, pagdiriwang ng mga holiday o kahit sa simpleng pagkain sa bahay.